Welcome back to another episode of Fishing is Therapy. It's your host, Chris. Hey, it's Shellcracker season. It's bluegill season right now. It's the time to get your family out on the water. Well, this was my 34th birthday weekend. Happy birthday to me, and thank you for all the happy birthday shout-outs. I really appreciate you all for supporting the channel and just enjoying my content, all right? It means a lot to me, all right? But on this particular video, okay, this is one part of a video because I went after some gar as well, but we're after those shellies, shellcrackers, red air sunfish, all right? And after some bluegill. Pulls up into the cove. We got it using a simple rig, split shot, Aberdeen hook, red worms on there, no bobber, and just throwing it out there in the coves. We were able to find them this year and put the family on it. I was really fortunate enough to have my wife and my daughter out there catching some panfish as well. They had a blast, just making memories. Therapy is not just for me, but it's therapy for the whole family as well. So everyone enjoyed it. We had the Sunfish assassin out there as well. You'll see him on the boat. Go subscribe to his channel, guys. Get him to 1,000 subscribers. He's only 60 subscribers away. He has some really good content, and you'll be able to see a lot of these things from his point of view as well, okay, when we're out there fishing on the water. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's get on to these panfish. Enjoy it. Kick back and enjoy the content. And don't forget, at the end of the video, or if you have the time now, like the video, comment, and subscribe. I love to be able to interact with you all. Let's jump right in.
Like 3 years in a row you caught them right here?
Yep, 3 years. Ever since I came on my kayak, you can look at the first video and watch me slay them here.
Yeah, I think that's
One of the first videos I made in Georgia on the kayak.
Yeah, I think that's one of the ones I watched before I met you.
Yep, that's what I did. Oh, gotta pull him off. Oh, he's hung up. Come on, got it. It's not a good one, y'all. Look. Good Shelly. Her name's Shelly, they say. They said it in there. Her name's Shelly, y'all. They say her name.
Oh, that's a good
Shelly,
one.
y'all.
Look at that one. Would you that?
Oh yeah, that's a good size. Right there in your hand, yep. Got Mrs. Miracle on the boat today. Going for Shellcrackers. Elon. Yeah, he biting it. Look, there you go. Wait. You gotta set that hook hard too. Tighten it up. Yeah. I mean, he'll come towards you. Keep tightening it so you can get to him. All right. He on it. Hook hard. There you go. Real. Come on, you got him. That's a brim. That's a good bluegill. Come on. Let's go. Pull it in the boat. Swing it in the boat. Swing it. Stop rolling. Yeah. Swing it over here so it won't fall out.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. We can catch and release. Catch and release? Oh, yeah.
Come on, get him. Hook. Real. Oh, yeah, you got a good one. Oh, he got off.
Oh, no. How do you see that?
Perfect. That was a perfect catch. Young lady. There you go.
Come on, get him. Come on, get him.
Oh.
Come on, run him. Oh, that's a good shellcracker. Swing him. Yeah. Got him. Now that's shellcracker, different from bluegill. You see that? Yeah, I will. Hold on. I'm just trying to see. Look at that one. Slab biles. Fishing is therapy, boy.
Fishing is therapy.
Is line on the reel? No. Wait. Let him pull. Let him pull again. Let him tighten up. Keep going. Tighten up a little bit more, Elon. Come on. Tighten up.
Thank you.
Let him get it. There you go. Hook him. Got him. Oh, no. Missed it. Come on, Elon.
So
Watch that line tighten up. You see how the line gonna tighten up? He pulling. There you go. There you go. Hook. Hook him. Got him. Come on. Pull. Really?
Come on, please.
Really?
Please.
Really?
Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes.
Come on. Bring him in. Lift him up. Swing him in the boat. Good stuff.
Yeah, I got you.
A Shellcracker for you.
Had to put it in a little time in
Hold
the
it.
jerk, but
Hold the hook. I mean the line.
there we go. Yay, line, yay.
Catch us some good Shellcracker fishing on this spot right there. And, you know, see what we can do here. Try to get us a couple before we leave today. Got it. Another good one.
There you go. Fish is on with another good Shellcracker.
Another good one. Look at this.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Look at that one.
It's a female. For sure.
Fat one. Look at that, y'all.
Let me see. Right here. Yeah, there we go. Not really big. Well, oh, I say that. Ooh.
Oh, me too. Oh,
Right when I turn my camera
me
on.
too.
There we go.
Doubles. We both got hit the same time. Doubles.
Oh, look at that one.
Look at those, y'all.
Look at that right there.
Some good ones.
There we go, guys.
Look at that.
That's a tank.